When it comes to job search, be ready for the long haul. You want to start preparing before you actually need to prepare. Now, this is true for most things in life. We want to be proactive. But when it comes to a job search on which our livelihood depends, it's even more critical that we plan it and we be ready for whatever comes our way. I work with many people in my coaching to help them find a meaningful job and then negotiate well within that job. And I'm surprised how many people start thinking about job search only when they find themselves in a bad spot. You know, job search and interviewing is a bit of a random process. Even for people who are really, really good, there is some chance that they will not pass a specific interview, or they find that the job is not good for them, or they find various other things with the job. So no job is a sure shot thing. So you want to set things up in your life in a way that you are ready for job search for the long haul. For example, spend time in a consistent way that you can keep going if need be. Also set your material life in a way so one rejection doesn't materially affect you so much. Of course, it will affect you emotionally and mentally. And that is what we work a lot in coaching, to work on the mindset around rejection. But we don't want to be in a place where one rejection and we are having a really hard time paying our bills. So when it comes to job search, be ready for the long haul. Start preparing much before you need to start preparing.